AI replace software engineers? No, they will not. One of the reasons why AI will not replace software engineers is because, well, AI can't be creative. AI can only assist in things. They can't come up with innovative things. Someone has to come up with Snapchat. Someone has to come up with a Facebook. Someone has to come up with an idea, and then people build off of that idea to make it better. That's where AI can come into place, but AI can't come up with that idea. People are thinking that it's gonna become completely obsolete to take tests and exams and online courses. Like, that's just not true. From what I recall, I'm pretty sure they're already making a bot that can detect ChatGPT. ChatGPT's already been banned in certain places. Also, I think people forget AI requires programming. Software engineers are the ones that build, maintain, and deploy these Software engineers are the ones that build, maintain, and deploy these AI systems. So if you guys want to get into AI, maybe that might be a field where you can definitely solidify and guarantee yourself that you won't be losing any sort of job. But even then, that's way, way down the line. Another thing, AI costs money. Small businesses are not going to be able to afford AI to run their business. There's a reason why some of the biggest companies are just starting with introducing AI into the way that their business is operated, such as McDonald's or Amazon. But at least one thing's for sure is when I ask for sweet and sour sauce, no one's gonna be looking at me like I just asked them for their goddamn SS number. We have to remember that AI can only solve problems that it was trained to solve. AI is limited to what it's programmed for, and they can't go beyond their scope. Software engineers, on the other hand, can actually adapt to new problems and apply that knowledge to find solutions. AI isn't capable of replacing human interaction. Not yet, at least. Communication skills, empathy. AI can't have emotions or feelings, like Sunny. I did not murder him! And the ability to work well in a team are critical when it comes to software engineering. Teamwork makes the dream work. Another thing is, in tech, software is constantly evolving. AI, while it may be advancing, it still requires humans to implement it and integrate AI in a way that best serves the needs of the organization. Let's deal with the problems that we have now instead of worrying at what we might experience in the future, because we've had a habit of thinking that certain things were going to happen. Don't get me wrong, ChatGPT is great. You know, I use it myself to kind of maximize my efficiency and productivity and, you know, get things done and organize some things, but I don't see it actually solving real world problems, because if that was the case, then we would have seen that happening already, and we don't really see it solving problems. You know, passing the bar isn't solving a problem. We just know that it can pass a bar. Same thing with a coding interview. We know that it may pass coding interviews, but I mean, what good is that doing? There's already a solution out there to the coding interview. Depending on how well versed a problem is, it will be able to solve that problem based off the information you give it. But it's unrealistic for people to always have a super descriptive problem that's right on the money, and then the AI will have all the information it needs from that problem that they're giving it. We got a lot of time, fellas. Don't worry about it. Those were just some of the reasons why I think AI will not replace software engineers. But let me know what you guys are using ChatGPT for, you know? I'm really trying my best to maximize its potential and use and putting it to good work. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. As always, keep thriving, keep spreading the love, and I'll catch you in the next one. Be easy.